Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a little shop at the Walmart, just grabbing some hygiene products. I wanted to grab something new because I really don't need much, so I was in the aisle just smelling some fragrances for the body washes, and I did find one that I particularly liked that wasn't too overpowering of the scent, so I grabbed a new body wash, and I also grabbed the new feminine wash because the particular one that I wanted was not sold in the store, so they was gone. So I'm like, what's going on? But yes, I tried 3 Walmarts and it was just empty, so I tried something new, lightly fragrant, so I'm not mad. So stay tuned for this hygiene routine, you guys. I'm just shopping and grabbing what I need to grab. Dove dryness relief. This has jojoba oil in it. I think I'm gonna get this one because I do like that is not overpowering the scent. They have a bar soap. It'll go good with the sensitive skin bar soap, so I'm gonna get this. Try it out. First, before my shower, I'm lighting my candle. You guys, this candle is a must try. I got it from Target. As soon as you walk into the store, this is the Sun Kissed Honey. It smells so warm, light, and beautiful. I really like this scent. I actually grabbed 2 candles, but this is the one I'm using for tonight. It's so beautiful scent, so you must try that. Then I'll go in and grab my washcloth and my feminine washcloth. I use 2 washcloths depending on what I'm doing. So tonight I only need 1 washcloth for my body and 1 for my feminine area. So you don't want to use the same washcloth on your feminine area, you guys. This is not something you want to do. So yes, get your clean washcloth, your clean feminine washcloth, and your clean towel. You know, change out your towels as well when you're taking a shower and you want to try new products and everything like that. Just always have a clean towel on deck, you know. I'll start off with my soft soap exfoliating coconut body bar, you guys. This is really moisturizing. It does a light exfoliating, but it smells so good. It's just like a warm, soft coconut smell that just smells so good. You could get these from the Dollar Tree. It's just so good that they have this type of bar soap. Then I'll go in with my Dove Dry Relief, you guys. This has jojoba oil. It's a 24-hour renewing moisturizer. So this body wash will keep you from being dry and relieve dry skin. Yes, it smells so good. It's a light scent, so the soap and this body wash goes well together perfectly. Yes, and it's just so moisturizing and so soft on the skin. So I'm trying this new body wash out, and I really like it because the scent is really light and it just smells great and so clean. And this is the new feminine wash I'm trying by Equate. It's an odor block for sensitive skin. Odor block protection helps stop odor from happening. Dye free and hypoallergenic, which is the reason why I got it. Light and clean scent, gynecologist tested. You guys, it's very light, liquidy formula, and I wouldn't have got it if the scent would have been too strong. This is like a perfect scent. So next I'll go on with my Boss Baby exfoliating body scrub. This has the shea butter almond milk for smooth nourished skin. So this routine is based off like a warm, soft fragrance. You guys, this theme is just light, warm. It smells so good. Great for the summertime. You just want a hint of smelling like coconut, smelling like jojoba oil, shea butter. This routine will get you there and get you moisturized if you're having any type of dry skin. This scrub is amazing with leaving your skin moisturized. Yes. So I'm gonna just start my shower by soaking my body in the water. You gotta soak your body first. I do. Open my pores up and ready to receive this soap. So that's what I'm about to do.
Denim faded, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
For moisturizing, I'm using a Baby Magic Creamy Whipped Butter. This is the Vanilla Oak scent. This is a beautiful scent, lightweight, great for the whole family, and especially great for hot weather. It's very lightweight, breathable, and I love it. That's what I'm going to moisturize my body with. You get good moisture with this cream body butter. Along, I'll be using my favorite body oil, vitamin E with the hyaluronic acid. It has the age defying, replenishes the body. This body oil smells so good. The coconut vanilla scent is just amazing. Yes, get you this Nature Goods. It's so good.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the below at one time? Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, ball in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the journey to just to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the below one time? Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and we go on with it.
Here I'm going to go in with my Lume Whole Body Deodorant. This is in the Clean Tangerine. It's really like a creamy texture, this one. I don't use it for my underarms. I use the Crystals Chamomile Green Tea, and the Lume is the Clean Tangerine. I use it for my inner thighs and I use it for my butt. Yes, ma'am. Get it nice and stay fresh, baby. I'm just rubbing in the rest of my lotion, well, my body butter and my oils. Just really sinks into my skin, you guys. And the next day, I just feel silky, soft, and I just smell amazing, you guys. I wear my satin robe because I'm putting on product, and this is a lightweight robe. And I really like my robes, you guys. And last but not least, my favorite scent, the latte cocoa, to end this whole shebang off, you guys. I just smell amazing. I smell delicious, if I must say myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
It's done just you good. It's done just you good.